Rocket money versus every dollar. You must watch this video before buying because I have made a comprehensive comparison between rocket money and every dollar. So let's get started. I have discussed about their features and reputation and each and everything there. So first of all, we will talk about the rocket money. Rocket money is online budgeting and personal finance tool designed to help user manage their money effectively. Offers features such as budget tracking, expense categorization, goal setting, bill tracking, and more. It provides insight into the spending pattern and allow user to set and monitor progress towards financial goal. Offer a user-friendly interface and easy-to-use tool suitable for individuals and families. This is a very highlighting point. It is useful for individuals and families. May have a subscription based pricing model you can just explore by just visiting this website. Now let's talk about the every dollar. Every dollar is something similar. It is an app created by financial expert Dave Ramsey team focusing on zero based budgeting principle, right? So it has a vision, it has a focus, and it just fulfills a very small purpose. Help user create and maintain a monthly budget by allocating every dollar to specific categories, aiming to give user more control over their finances. Offer features such as expense tracking, goal setting, debt payoff tracking, and customizable budgeting categories. Sync with bank accounts and automatically import all the transaction from your checking bank account or saving bank account, and it is always up to date. May offer a free version, but it is very for limited features, and I don't think which is very good one. You need to buy a plan. So when choosing between rocket money and every dollar, consider your budgeting style, financial goal, and preferences. If you prefer a straightforward budgeting tool with customizable features and insight into spending habits, rocket money will be the best option for you. On the other hand, if you're interested in zero based budgeting principle, right, and prefer a tool which is Dave Ramsey's favorite of you, then every dollar could be the best suitable for you. I hope you found this video very useful.